If you're looking for an honest Hoody AI review, you've come to the right place. This newly released software has been making waves, and in this video, I'll cover the 7 crucial things you need to know about Hoody AI. By the end, you'll know exactly what makes it stand out and if it's the right fit for you. First things first, you can try Hoody AI completely for free through the first link below. This is a no-risk opportunity to dive right into the software and explore its features for yourself. But I'll break it down here so you can make an informed decision before you do. Let's start with what Hoody AI is all about. It's an AI tool designed to automate your marketing efforts and enhance your digital campaigns. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned marketer, Hoody AI can streamline tedious tasks, saving you time and boosting your productivity. The first thing you should know is how powerful its content creation features are. Hoody AI can generate high-quality written content at scale. This means you can produce blog posts, social media captions, and even email campaigns in a fraction of the time it would normally take. The AI adapts to your style, making it a versatile tool for both beginners and experienced content creators. Next, Hoody AI's data analysis capabilities are second to none. It's not just about generating content. The software also analyzes your audience data to create more targeted, effective campaigns. This means you can stop guessing what your audience wants and start delivering what they truly care about. Imagine how much time you'll save without constantly tweaking your strategy. Now, let's talk about ease of use. One thing that sets Hoody AI apart from other AI software is how intuitive it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to start using it. The interface is user-friendly, and you can start creating campaigns and content right away. If you've been intimidated by other AI tools in the past, Hoody AI will feel like a breeze. Hoody AI also offers integrations with a variety of platforms. From social media to email marketing tools, you can connect it with your existing software ecosystem. This integration feature is a game changer, allowing you to push content out seamlessly without jumping between platforms. Another major point is Hoody AI's cost-effectiveness. AI tools can get expensive, but Hoody AI offers a competitive pricing structure, especially given the range of features it provides. If you're on a budget but still want the power of AI, this software could be the perfect option for you. And as mentioned, you can start with a free trial to see for yourself. One thing that really stands out with Hoody AI is its customer support. While many AI tools leave you hanging when you need help, Hoody's team is responsive and ready to assist. Whether it's troubleshooting or offering tips to get the most out of the software, you can expect excellent support throughout your journey. Lastly, I can't emphasize enough how fast Hoody AI is. Whether it's generating content or analyzing data, this software operates quickly and efficiently. In today's fast-paced digital marketing world, speed matters, and Hoody AI delivers when it counts. So, is Hoody AI worth trying? Absolutely. Whether you're new to AI or already familiar with digital marketing tools, Hoody AI offers a robust set of features that can save you time and enhance your campaigns. Again, you can try it for free with the link below to see if it's the right fit for your needs. If you're still on the fence, I've listed some of my other recommended AI software options in the description as well. After testing thousands of these tools, I know what works and what doesn't. You don't want to miss out on the tools that can make your life easier and your business more efficient. Don't forget to hit that link to get started with Hoody AI for free, and I'll see you in the next video with more insights on the best digital marketing tools available today.